In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alternating colors. If you've ever looked at a long table of numbers or names and felt your eyes blur, alternating row colors, often called zebra stripes, make your data much easier to scan. This quick formatting trick improves readability on screen and on printouts, and it helps you keep your place across wide sheets. Start by highlighting the exact range of data you want to format. Click the first cell in your table, then drag to the last cell so every row you want included is selected. If it helps, you can also click the top left cell, hold Shift, and click the bottom right cell to capture the entire block. Be deliberate here. Include your header row if you want it styled differently from the rest of the rows, and avoid selecting entire blank columns or extra empty rows, which can lead to stripes appearing where you don't need them. With your data highlighted, go up to the menu bar and choose Format, then click Alternating Colors. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a live preview of your selected range, along with several preset styles that balance header, even, and odd row colors. Pick a style that offers enough contrast for your audience and environment. For example, slightly bolder tones for presentations, or softer tones for on-screen analysis. As you preview styles, you can confirm that the range shown in the sidebar matches the cells you highlighted. If it doesn't, you can adjust it in the sidebar without reselecting on the sheet. You'll also notice options to treat the first row as a header and the last row as a footer. Turning on the header option applies a distinct color to the top row, which is ideal when that row contains labels like date, category, or total. This small touch helps viewers immediately understand what each column represents. Once you choose a style in the sidebar, the formatting applies instantly to your selection. The pattern adapts gracefully as you sort or filter your data, and it continues down the range you defined. If you add new rows within that range later, the striping will follow the same pattern, keeping your sheet consistent. That's all there is to it. Highlight your data, open format, and alternating colors, then select a style that fits your needs. With just a few clicks, your sheet becomes cleaner, clearer, and far easier to read.